Hi everyone, today we'll see the market analysis, how market has been behaved on 6th June and also plan for the 7th June. So if you see today CPR opened little above the previous day CPR, which indicates some positive sign, and yesterday's market was entirely in a range, and last half an hour we have seen a fall here. So after breaking this zone we have seen a quick fall. In Nifty was a less fall when compared to Bank Nifty given a good fall compared to Nifty. So when it comes to a Nifty today, market opened on a flat range. So after opening the flat range, immediately it taken a support of previous day closing, and third or fourth candle tried to break the day high. So where I have expected that this range is got weakened and closed the candle as a above the CPR as well as the resistance top of the resistance of after closing the 50 EMA on top of 50 EMA. So immediately at the retest part I have entered to go long, so where immediately it hit my SL. So whenever there is another concept I have missed here is because yesterday after opening the gap up entire day market was in range and it didn't even touch the CPR. So yesterday CPR was a virgin CPR. Virgin CPR concept is nothing but if yesterday or day before yesterday if market did not touch the CPR range, so the coming days the market anyhow it will reach to that virgin CPR concept and then move further either upside or downside. So today also it happened the same. When yesterday it did not touch the CPR, so today after opening this, after hitting my SL, it exactly the place where it touched the CPR and then again given a reversal. So after that, after breaking the day's low, this is the place where it is called the day's low. So it tried to reverse and then immediately it taken a retest. So this is the place where it done a retest. So I have entered for downside and then exited because previous day's range closing is there. So after that, as today is a weekly expiry for fin nifty, so I haven't exited because 3 o'clock, this is a 3 o'clock momentum. So if any existing entries we can carry forward for the 3 o'clock entries. If it is a new entries, so we have a concept to stop the entries around 2:45 executions. So I have entered, but this given a very good momentum. Morning range whatever it is there formed, so everything was completely vanished by a 3 to 3:20 candles. So morning what are there in my plus positive sign to negative sign, everything is done by a single 15 minutes candle. So same case in a bank nifty also, but compared to nifty, bank nifty did not given a much fall. Okay, so after breaking the day slow, it taken a previous day's closing as a support and then formed a double bottom and then moved up. So this is exactly formed a double bottom and then crossed above. So in 15 minutes if you see the trend line breakouts we have seen, we have exactly one 15 minutes candle itself closed. See this is a 15 minutes candle which is having a 138 points. Same in the case of nifty also, this 15 minutes candle. So entirely the market is taken by this 15 minutes candle. So this indicates that there is a buyer strength. So if you see in a daily candle, so daily candle we have seen some range has been formed. This is the range. So in this place, this is the range. So if this range has been broken in nifty and stayed like a hammer, hanging hammer, and broke out the range. So when it comes to a bank nifty also same case, but it formed similarly like a doji pattern but in a green. So hope this is expected some strong lower price rejection. So even yesterday it tried to pull down, but even if it opened a gap down or after a fall, it given a very strong reversal to upside. So when it comes to 15 minutes time frame, the same case whereas it has taken a support, where it has taken a support of this zone and formed it exactly like a W pattern closed above this. So if it opens a gap up, also we have a trend line breakout also happened in this 15 minutes candle. If you see, so market is very strongly with high volume, market has been broken this trend line. So this trend line will act as a very high resistance. If market opens on a gap down or something, if this taken as support and then move up, then we can cross over easily this high. So if not, if gap down open, so we may expect some consolidation and then fall if it crosses below this. so we have to be ready on both sides. But if it opens in middle, we have to wait whether it should cross above this range or whether it will break this range. So if it breaks upside range, we will go with a higher volume. If it breaks lower range, we'll go with the less volume, because of today's last half an hour momentum may chance to carry forward for next half days momentum. Same in the case of Nifty also. Nifty also closed the 15 minutes candle and trendline breakout and stayed above the range. So if it opens a gap up, so we can, if it opens at resistance zone or something, if it breaks the resistance zone, we can go for next 100 points upside. If it opens on a flat note and try to break off this trend line, then we can go for the positive note. If it opens on a gap down, so we may consider this as a very strong resistance. If this strong resistance will broke, then we can go for a downside, downside related to 18450 480. Thank you.